What's good, everybody? Hey, welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling. And you guys read the title right. We making buffalo wings and we doing it in the crock pot. Hey, you know what? Super easy. Ain't nothing to like over talk, not trying to really sell it, but we keeping up with that theme. You know, that theme of what? We got football parties, entertaining company, appetizers, finger foods, you know, stuff like that. Hey, so listen, if you need something to take to the tailgate party or you want to make it out there, this is it right here. You know what? I'm gonna show you. Super easy. We finna get right into it. Boom. All right, going over the ingredients, super simple. Right here, got that Frank's Red Hot. This is the original. This right here, we got 1 cup. Right here, we got a 1/2 cup. This is salted butter. We got 1 tablespoon, look, 1 tablespoon of honey. And then we got that W sauce. We got a tablespoon of this W sauce too. I like it, I like what this does to it, so I put just a tad bit more. Just in case you guys out there looking at it talking about, hey, that look like more than 1 tablespoon. And then right here, I got 3 pounds, like a little bit under 4 pounds of, you know, chicken wings. You know what? You got the drumettes and the flats. You know, super simple. And to top it all off, we're gonna dump it all in here, and we're gonna mix everything in here, and this is what we're gonna cook it in. You can't get no easier than that. All right, look, you see that right there, that discoloration inside of the porcelain pot? You know, Crockpot liners have helped that out tremendously. You know, like prolong it. Easy cleanup, stuff like that. So first thing I did was just went ahead and just put the chicken wings, you know, in the crock pot. Just set that off to the side. Now it's time to go ahead, you know, get our butter, and you know that's got to be melted. As you can see, it's melted right there. So now all you got to do is really take all of the ingredients and dump them into a bowl, and then use a whisk and, you know, mix them together. So that's just me. I started with the Frank's Red Hot, you know, hot sauce. Then I come with the butter. Here, obviously, that's the honey. Go ahead and add the honey and then that W sauce. Now, once you add your W sauce to it, go ahead, grab your whisk, and then listen, because we got that melted butter, and you know that butter along with that hot sauce, you're going to probably whisk this together for about 1.5 minutes. You know what I mean? About 90 seconds, just constantly moving it. And then after that, you'll see everything has been blended properly, and the rest is really self-explanatory from here on out. It's a crock pot recipe. You know, these are really like dump and go. So now we take our, you know, our buffalo sauce, and we just go ahead and coat it all. Now, listen, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of that salt. You'll see that coming up next. You know, that salt just enhances the flavor, you know, not too much, just like a pinch. And then you gotta use that black, you know, that black fresh ground pepper. That right there is another, you know, that's another pro tip, you guys. We gotta start using, you know, pepper and salt just in increments, and then we taste it. Now, I had some people waiting in the background. You guys don't see them, but they was waiting for it. When they tasted it, they loved it. Said it was kind of like different, and I said that's probably because I put that extra W sauce in there. Now, after I give everything a stir, before I put the lid on, I like to hit it just so I can see some of that black pepper on the top, and just another, you know, pinch of that kosher salt. And now it's time to set it. Listen, you can set it from 3 to 4 hours, and you can set it on low. I set this on 4 hours, but I can tell you those were small chicken wing parts, so they should have been like about 3 hours. And now when I went that extra hour, you can see right here, look at the sauce, it's kind of thin. You know, that's that extra hour. Had I taken it out, because they were fully cooked, but you want to talk about cooked down to the bone with that flavor, this is it right here. So now you want to take them, get yourself a, you know, a baking sheet with a cooling rack on the top, and just go ahead and put your chicken wings on top of that. And then you want to, so when I went this far, this is what I did. I went ahead and added some of that Frank's Red Hot, you know, sauce on top of that, and then we're gonna put them into the oven. We're gonna use the broiler feature because we just want to bake it. Now listen, when we want to broil it, so what we want to do is we just want to broil it for about, I'm gonna say about 3 minutes maybe, but you want to keep your eye on it. You know what? Make sure you preheat it. You know what I mean? So when you stick it in there, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, you just want to watch it. Once it's baked on there, you bring it out. This is all about the presentation and having that sauce on the outside. So there it is, you guys. Real easy, super easy to make. You know what I mean? And you talk about delicious. So all you guys out there that love these buffalo wings, well, here you go. You can't get no easier than this. You put these out and you'll guess, I promise you, they're going to go ham. Hey, so with that being said, there you go. Buffalo wings at their fullest and easiest. Enjoy, you guys. So you guys just seen just how easy it is to make. You're talking about not, you know, having nothing to do. Just throw it all in the crock pot. Let the crock pot do the work. After that, coat it again with a little bit more of that whatever hot sauce of your choice, After that, stick it in a broiler. Go ahead, hit it at about 500 degrees. You know what, but keep your eyes on it because you don't want to like burn it. You know what, once it's like baked on the top, you got that desired look that you're looking for, and it's like baked on there, nice and thick, take it out, plate it, and serve it. Best served hot. Hey, so listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just go ahead and say, hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and tell everybody out there there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, you guys, I'm out of here. Peace.